On top inside Edo today, Edo State Government don graduate 400 youths on top data science and artificial intelligence, solar panel installation, Edo Beat and Junior Tech Africa. Edo State Government don do ogbonge graduation for 400 youths on top data science and other ogbonge areas for ICT, that na information communication technologies, the one wey go make Edo State tanda gidigba well for the country. On top this graduation matter for 400 youths for Edo jobs, the one wey be the skills acquisition programs wey Edo State Government take dey tanda ogbonge job for the youths wey dey the state. Na im ogbonge pipo wey dey Edo State and many partners don join body to see say dis graduation e waka well. Edo State Commissioner for Wealth Creation and Cooperatives Felix Akabwe na im come represent vacancy governor for dis ogbonge graduation, as e come tell the youth dem say make dem no throway wetin dem don learn for the training, as e be say state government dey happy well and body sweet dem unto dis kind thing wey dey shele. E tell dem say Governor Obaseki ready change Edo State to better state, as e be say the youth life dem na im dey in mind. Felix Akabwe tell dem say dem ready gidigba for im ministry with Edo State Government to take support the business wey dem get and give dem better connect to fit get money to start business, as e be say 2 billion naira dey microfinance bank for Edo State and 500 million dey Bank of Industry to take support SMEs, that na small and micro medium enterprise, to make sure say their business matter e waka well.
You want to prepare our younger one to take charge so that we can compete favorably in Nigeria in future to come. Edo State expect that this talent that you have given our governor, the governor of Edo State, you know, is a governor who wants to transform the well-being of our younger generation. In Ministry of Wealth Creation, it will interest you there is a fund. Many people do not really know. DJs of Edo State and the inhabitants of Edo State who want to access funding on single-digit interest rates. Edo State also have money with Bank of Industry, where our people who are into micro, small, and medium enterprises business can access funds. Our ministry is there to support you. Our ministry is there to teach you on how to improve your business when you have the courage to start.
Special adviser to Governor Obaseki on top gender matter, Efosa Oyigwe, na im come represent First Lady, that na the wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki, as if say na she come yarn the ogbonge talk wey Betsy wan talk give dis graduation people dem as dem don finish the training. She talk say as the youth dem don finish the training and don do graduation, she salute the partners dem wey make dis kind ogbonge thing shele for Edo, as she come salute Edo Jos wey be the ogbonge training place where all dis kind thing take dey shele for the youths. She yarn say dis skills program na wetin she don dey find tey and he happy say dis kind thing don shele for Edo State, as skills develop programs dem na im dey solve all the katakata, the one wey dey shele for the country.
For me, this is a dream come true, as I have always been passionate about skills development as an avenue to providing real solutions to problems plaguing our society, such as the issue of power supply and the application of coding technology, which has the capacity of addressing myriads of problems and improving the quality of lives of people in the state through ICT.
Efosa Oyigwe come talk say ICT na ogbonge way to take solve problems wey Edo State dey face, as she come salute the people wey dey graduate say make dem no throw away all the things wey dem don learn, as dem go use this one to take help the society take waka far.
I urge you to be courageous enough to ignore distractions that your environment may pose, and with single-minded devotion set out to create the change that you have been trained for. Note that though you are starting now with a humble beginning, you can go as far as you wish with these skills.
Make una no forget say all the talk wey Efosa Oyigwe talk for this event, she talk am on behalf of Edo State First Lady, that na Betsy Obaseki. Senior Special Assistant to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top skills development and job creation, Ukinebo Dare, she talk how body taste sweet and well unto this graduation jollification wey dey shele so, She said dis training na to see say the promise wey Governor Obaseki bin tok wen e dey campaign say im go give over 200,000 jobs give Edo pipo, na im make all dis kain trainings dey shele as dem wan make sure say the life of the pipo wey dey Edo State e dey kampe.
Big pleasure to be here today to celebrate with you and to celebrate you. This is the reason we're doing everything we're doing in Edo jobs. The executive governor of Edo State promised to create 200,000 jobs, and I'm sure nobody ever imagined that this was what he had in mind. That he was not even just talking about jobs that already existed, that he was going to create new industries in Edo State. That Edo State would produce the highest and the best number of data scientists that Nigeria.
She con tok say Edo State government plan na solar installation pipo dem dey tanda gidigba put for Edo State and na dem be the ogidigan for Nigeria. She tok say dis training shele for Edo innovate as dem go still see say dem try connect all dis pipo to ogbonge opportunities where dem go fit use the things wey dem don learn to take make better money and to take better their lives.
The development of our talent is happening every single day. To every Edo jobber in the house, I need you to understand something. Once you become an Edo jobber, it's a lifelong relationship. Okay? Some of you have already gotten jobs. Congratulations. Some of you have the skills, and the next thing you need now is how to use those skills, how to start your business, or how to get a job where these skills will be put to use. I need you to understand that this is not the end of the road. You have to continue to engage and participate.
For dis ogbonge graduation ceremony, so na 200 pipo na im do graduation for solar panel training, 100 na im do for data science and artificial intelligence, the one wey be say na main one na im sponsor dis ones, 50 na im graduate for Edo Beat and 50 con still graduate for Junior Tech Africa. Dem give starter packs to the pipo wey graduate for solar panel installation, dat na 200 pipo. As dis starter packs na im dem go use to take start their own work as dem don finish the training. So some of the pipo wey graduate so dem still talk shekele thing on top wetin dem don learn for dis training and how body take sweet dem for wetin Edo State government wey e don do for dem and the plans wey dem get to stand gidigba on their own as the training e don finish.
We have people who are developing products right from Edo State in Benin, and people who are in somewhere else in Manchester, they are requesting for their brains to work.
We can convert your excrete into energy and fertilizers for farmers. How do we do this? We use a biodigester. So we build the biodigesters ourselves, and then we can take this from our toilets. We use some difference of open defecation. You use the toilets, we process this, we get manure, we get clean water, and we get power supply.
Felicia, Tony Kabaka, Mr. Tony Kabaka, Mrs. Ukile Odare.
In an average community where you don't have water, number one, you have a breakout of diseases which have a rebounding effect on the government because the government has to spend more on the health sector to provide good health for those communities. It works effortlessly with as little as no even operation. When the sun comes out, it generates water into the storage tanks and the community or the markets or the schools or those hospitals in need of this water can use it.
So what is happening today is part of the solution to ensuring that people are empowered to work.
In Edo State, we thank them as a Nigerian business for giving us the opportunity to show us what kind of impact we can have when we work in collaboration with our government for the benefit of our citizens. Thank you all very much.
Quite exciting. We learned a lot from it. Like, I'm very good at what I do, and the training has been excellent. Not below standard. Our standards are really high.
The training is very expensive, no small money to pay. But one side, Edo State government, our governor, he try well for our body. This training will come free. And inside this training season, they get some things where they also teach us. We see we help make our money for ourselves. And at the end of the day, still make Edo State better. Because last, Edo State now our own.
Now, with what they don't learn, so work don't they? Because person go there, we go say, come do this work for me. I want make I do programs or make I do some things for me. Everybody don't go digital now. Some people want solar. I want solar for my house, I want solar for office, I want this one. So work day, people go define them. Not be then go define work again. Now work go define them.
One of the responsibilities we government get that will make the environment, the environment robust, so that they will see work to do. When poor government begins spending inside the state, opportunities will be. If people go on build house, one put solar panels for their house, others go on set up business, one use solar panel, and we begin employ these people.
Okay, to state they tell them today, we don't give you knowledge, we don't train you. Teach children the way they will go. We don't teach you the way you go. We are giving you knowledge. Go into the world, make you go conquer. Go into the world, look for job. And most importantly, yes, I advise them, if you want to look for job, look for job. But my greatest advice for them, as somebody when they head ministry or wealth creation, want to create wealth, you can create wealth for yourself.
The sky na their starting point. We want to thank the governor, our governor, God University, say see the vision for wetin Edo youth fit do for this state and for this country. People don dey congratulate the state very well. Say now they fit come set up any kind of business because they know say Edo State get the right talent, the right engineers wey fit deliver with them on their jobs. So we dey wish them all the best and we dey together with them still. Because if I say they don't graduate, don't say they don't leave Edo jobs, they still be Edo jobbers. Because as opportunities come, vacancies come, we dey still connect them to all these vacancies. The ones who want to start their business, we dey still help them start their business. So we dey very grateful to God for today.
Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. As Edo state government don graduate 400 youths on top ogbonge areas for ICT, dana for data science and artificial intelligence, and for solar panel installation, Edo Beats and Junior Tech Africa. As this one na to see say the promise wey Governor Obaseki do to see say 200,000 jobs and the one wey pass am stand gidigba well for Edo State for the youths and the people wey dey the state. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so wey dey reach una na T Live Media na im bring am come give una on top inside Edo today. And to continue to dey get am as e dey clear, una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us enter Facebook and like our page for T Live Media. As una dey do this one, una no forget to enter our website wey be www.tlivemedia.com.